Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice way to end the week here as it broke outside of this very annoying and stubborn sideways channel pattern. But if you've been watching the past videos, you've heard me talk about this sideways channel pattern over and over again, but finally got the break up above it. And that's where the first update comes into play. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, they tend to act as support. So going forward now, you would want to see 20.5 act as support. And so far, so good that it's exactly what's been playing out. So, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook if you wanted to as a resistance being broken. And then you can see right there, beautiful job of acting as support. So moving forward, 20.5 is what I would call the ideal level of support. You know, if you're to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? Well, yeah, ideally speaking, if the price can stay outside of this channel that it just broke out from, that would be a good step in the right direction. Now, I mean, if the price falls back inside of the channel, does that mean that the entire chart's destroyed? No, absolutely not. Does it mean that this breakout from the channel has now been, interrupted? Well, yeah, absolutely, and that wouldn't be a good sign. But like I said, preferably speaking, as far as the channel breakout is concerned, if this breakout is going to continue, well, then by default, by definition, you're going to want to see the price stay above 20.5. So keeping a close eye on that. Now for the fun stuff, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at and levels of resistance that'll need to be broken? Next key level to watch closely going forward is going to be right up here at the 22.5 mark. And, that you can see through the history of things, that's presented a problem on a couple different instances, including right there. So keep an eye on that. But overall, any way you look at it, very impressive price movement, very nice volume today. And like I said, at the end of the day, it got the pattern breakout. Now the big question mark going into next week is, can this pattern breakout get just that much more continuation? It'll be interesting to see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.